Hello, good morning! Almusal na tayo ng pandesal with peanut butter. Ayan, lagyan ko na ng palaman. At saka merong hot chocolate. Tara, let's eat! Happy Thursday, everyone! 4 days to go, New Year na, 2024. Sabayan na mainit na chocolate. Okay guys, follow my page, Mami Violeta Vlogs. Putahin ang ina nyo. Thanks for viewing. Bye!